Welcome back to VettePros here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What we have here today is a 1999 C5 Corvette LS1 engine for sale. Go ahead and start it up here. This engine starts right up. This car currently has 75,329 miles on it. This is the 345 horsepower LS1 engine. It's currently mated up to an automatic transmission. This engine is in top shape with no knocks or ticks or leaks. Go ahead and rev it up. This engine will make an excellent replacement for your Corvette or a great starting point for your hot rod or retro rod. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 704-320-0073, and thanks for looking.